question. Okay, so we are going to test using our observation skills, and we are going to do something called elephant toothpaste. So first we're going to make a prediction. What I want from you, what do you think elephant toothpaste is? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. It's a mess, that's what it is. What do you think elephant toothpaste is? You can see my things here. All right, you have about 30 seconds to tell your team. What do you think it is? Go. You don't. All right, class. All right, excellent. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients that I'm going to use. First, this is just. First, I'm going to use hot water. Okay, that's all this is. I went to the sink. This was the cup that was sitting there. It's just water from the tap. Okay. This in here is Dawn dish liquid. This is the stuff that Mom and Dad wash the dishes with. Okay? That's all that is.
Or I wash the dishes.
This is yeast. Everybody say yeast? Yeast. If I had to pick a magic ingredient, this is probably one of them because it makes it go fast. So yeast is what we use in bread. When you make bread, if you didn't put yeast in there, it would be flat and kind of icky. So this will make it rise into a nice pretty loaf. And then this is just developer. This is, raise your hand if your mom and dad, or if your mom dyes her hair. Yeah, okay. There you go. All right, and so all this is this helps us dye our hair. Okay, you'll never know what color my hair is. I don't even know. Okay? All right, so let me go with how we're going to do this. Okay? I'm going to start with the hot water. This, by the way, is a science tool. Okay, so that's just, yep, you saw it in the video. All right, so I'm just going to add some water. Nothing spectacular yet. Okay. Right? Oh my gosh, water, Miss Culpepper's magic. Okay. Now, here comes the yeast. It's just little granules.
Okay. It's kind of a funny word. Are we going to help?
And then nope, your job is going to use your senses to observe. I'm just gently swirling these. If I shook it real bad, it would kill it. So I don't want to do that. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of soap. Whoop, just a teeny bit. There we go. All right. And then I'm just going to add, this is blue food coloring. It's literally nothing but food coloring. Yeah, it's just so you can see it and it's not brown and icky. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you one more thing. Sometimes science doesn't work. Okay. We learned about the Mythbusters being scientists, right? One of Adam's favorite lines, lines is, failure is always an option. I could have mixed something wrong. The yeast could be bad. There could be reasons why this doesn't work if it doesn't work. And guess what? We're going to laugh it off and it's going to be okay and we're going to try again. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let you stand. You can stand where you're at. All right. Yeah, I'm just going to keep trying. That's that growth mindset that we were talking about. Okay? All right.
Yeah. What's happening? I want to touch it. Me too. I want to touch it.
All right. So, raise your hand if you can tell me what you see with your eyes.
I can't really see.
Come around this way. What do you see with your eyes, Maddie?
An explosion.
Kind of like a little explosion, all right?
A volcano.
What did you hear? Did you hear anything? No, we really didn't hear anything. This is a very quiet science experiment. If I got real close, then I could probably hear a little like fizzing, but not much, okay? So see here, do you think I should touch it?
Yes!
No, I'm not going to touch it, and the reason why is this developer can burn your skin, Okay, so I'm not going to touch it. This is one of those things where you do have to trust your teacher to tell you what's going to happen, and that is one thing we can't do. It's also called, can you say exothermic?
Exothermic.
Exothermic means that it's hot, okay? Now, it's not hot enough to probably burn me, but it wouldn't feel good, so I'm not going to do that, okay? I'm also not going to smell it because of this chemical as well. If you've ever walked into a hair salon, you know how it has that funky smell? Yeah, that's what that is. I'm not going to sniff it. All right, and then obviously, should I taste it?
No!
Absolutely not. That would be super dangerous. Yeah, no.
It's not edible.
Yeah, oh no, it's not edible. And this is why it's really, really, really important to never taste anything unless your teacher says it's okay. So, that's all for toothpaste.